In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding HTML to the of your entire site. This is perfect when you want to include things like meta tags, analytics, or tracking scripts, third-party form integrations, or custom CSS that should apply across your whole website. We'll be using Mobirise, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open your Mobirise project and head to the main application menu. From there, select Site Settings. This is where the global controls for your project live, and anything you set here will affect every page, exactly what we want for head-level code. Next, go to the Custom Code tab inside Site Settings. This area is specifically designed for adding code that the builder will insert for you in the correct place, so you don't have to edit individual pages. Now find the section labeled Head Code. Sometimes it may appear as inside tag. Click into the text area and paste your HTML. Typical examples include meta tags for SEO or verification, link tags for external style sheets, or script tags that load services site-wide. Keep in mind that you're adding content designed for the head only, so avoid pasting a full wrapper. Just include the tags themselves, like meta, link, style, or script as needed. If a provider gives you a snippet, double-check whether they want it in the head or before the closing body tag. Only place the head-specific pieces here. When your code is in place, choose Save Changes. This tells Mobirise to apply your snippet to every page in the project, so you don't have to repeat the process elsewhere. It's a reliable way to keep things consistent and reduce the chance of missing a page. To see the results live, you must publish your site. You can publish to a local folder or directly to a server. Either option works. Just remember that some additions won't appear in the live preview inside the builder, so publishing is the step that actually reveals your changes in action. After publishing, your code will be included inside the head of every page across the site. A few quick best practices as you do this. Avoid duplicating essential tags like viewport or charset if your theme already provides them, as duplicates can cause conflicts. For performance, consider using async or defer on external scripts where appropriate, and prefer linking to a style sheet rather than pasting very large CSS blocks to keep your project tidy. That's it, simple, clean, and site-wide. Save in Site Settings, then publish to make it live everywhere.